all sloppy with bullets in your body. Fuck a news report, the only report is an autopsy.
I feel Mook and Lux, but I ain't saying nothing. Shaking up the culture, leave a nigga rattled. Av, he a pussy, he be backing out of battles. Knowing damn well I could put him in a blender. How the fuck he soft and he represent Virginia? Norbs hit me up around the time, me and Danny. I said, bag out, I could get you in the family. Take Chef Trez, but we gon' pay you lesser. Boy, get the fuck off my line, Uncle Fester. Gannick hit me up, yeah, I'm talking about a lot. I said, where Pat, let me put him in the box. Said he up in Canada, you know he probably busy. Get him in the ring, he gon' want a pretty penny. Well, I was so a faggot, they ain't about nothing. Av can't see him. He be ducking, wearing big clothes, the nigga looking filthy. Nigga said my name, then ill will killed him. Av, he can't come to RBE and let me cook it. Knowing if he do it, you already won't book it. Me don't wanna see that nigga Chico in your bushes. He can't go wherever. If he do, he get a whooping. Hit me on the ground on my hoes going up. Did a show at Math, all the hoes wanna fuck. When we in the town, boy, them poles in the tuck. Fuck Loso and Av, boy, them hoes in the dust. Go to die. Loso a faggot. And I mean that. Now let me get a little feedback.
Crack has made you a rich punk, hasn't it? It's got you running, it's got your nose open. And it's your master.
There's some me and Ill Will, too.
You admit that, just like that, sure. Some people won't. I know a lot of people undercover crack users or
and some niggas talking shit, and I think they wanna kill me. Oh, really? Let them try. Man, them motherfuckers silly. If Pontiac was Philly, man, they treat me like I'm Gilly. Boy, they think I signed a deal, getting meals like I'm Quilly. Hey, look, the rap, the trap, I did all that. That bullshit you niggas on, I ain't with all that. You see me creeping in the vehicle, the shit all black. About to roll a window down and push the shit.